Hello everyone. I receive number of calls and in maximum calls I am being asked the same question repeatedly. That is, after filing the partition suit, how much time it takes to get the final judgment. If I honestly reply this question, then the answer would be no one knows. This is the truth, whether you believe or not. But the truth is, no one knows because there are a number of factors involved in a court proceeding. So, which factor will delay your work? No one knows. Nevertheless, don't worry, here I will tell you, rather, I will explain you the tentative time period, which will also let you know why court proceeding takes so much time. Let's understand this through stages as your case proceeds. So, start with the first stage. In the first stage, you will hire an advocate, and then your advocate will send legal notice to your opposite party, and your opposite party will be given time to reply that legal notice. This process will take minimum 3 months. So start counting from this point only. 3 plus. Now come to the second stage. In the second stage, your case will be filed and the copy of petition will be sent to your opposite party, and your opposite party will be given time to reply that. Once he replies, you will be given time to reply that, which is also known as written statement or rejoinder. This process will take minimum 12 to 15 months. So how much total time period by the time? 3 plus 15 is equal to 18 months. Now let's check out the third stage. In the third stage, you and your opposite party will get time to submit important documents, as well as you will present your witnesses, and your opponent party will also present his witnesses. So the number of witnesses and the dates will be almost same. Though it is not essentially required, on one date you can present two witnesses, but normally it is not possible. So anyway, these proceedings take minimum 12 months. So how much time calculated by the time? 3 plus 15 plus 12 is equal to 30 months. Now let's check out the fourth and the final stage. This is known as argument and final judgment stage. This proceeding usually takes 6 to 8 months. Likewise, how much total time can be calculated? In the first stage, 3 months. In the second stage, 15 months. In the third stage, 12 months. And in the final stage, 8 months. So, total time period is 38 months or 3 years more or less. But at this point in time, I would like to remind you that this 3 years is an ideal time or minimum time period that any civil suit takes to arrive on any conclusion, and this ideal time period will be possible only in the condition when everything is happening in your favor. If anything goes against you, then time period will accordingly increase. As all of us know, in real life there is no ideal something like. So the factors that usually affect the court proceedings are sometimes absence of judge. If your judge doesn't appear in the court, then your date will be postponed. Similarly, sometimes your opposite party won't able to come to court, then again date will postpone. Sometimes it is possible that you are not able to give your presence in the court, then again date will postponed. Court vacations. Likewise, there are number of factors that can increase potentially or substantially the court proceedings. Anyway, as we discussed the 3 years, the ideal time period, that will be there. However, in certain cases, it is possible that these 3 years may take 2 years only, and that is possible in a condition when your case is very strong, and more importantly, your advocate is highly qualified and experienced. Then it is possible that these 3 years will possibly converted into 2 years. But if your advocate is weak, not a property law expert, then these 3 years may be 5 years and even more than that. Therefore, in my every video, I suggest that for the property regarding dispute, hire only property law expert, not any other advocate. Essentially, wish you very good luck.